Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to create a list using HTML. So very first what you need to do is open your notepad and then you need to save your file. To save your file, what you need to do is go to Files, click on Save As and give it a name you prefer and save it with an HTML extension. And then you need to click Save. But right now I would not save it because I've already done it, and that is why I've got an extra window on the right corner. Very first, let me give you an idea on what is a list. So a list is like some number of related items which are indicated in an order. Mostly each and every list items are indicated one below the other. In HTML, there are four ways or four types of creating lists. The very first is ordered list, unordered list, description list, and nested list. In this video, I will help you to insert ordered list and unordered list. So, here are the codings for the lesson today. I've copy pasted it to save time. So, let's get started. Very first, we have the opening HTML tag, next opening a head tag, opening title tag, closing title tag, closing head tag, opening body tag, and finally we have got the closing body tag and closing HTML tag. So these are the basics of HTML. I've already taught you all the basics of HTML in my previous video. If you haven't looked on it, check on the link given in the description box. So now we have the opening HTML tag, next opening head tag, opening title tag, closing title tag, closing head tag. And this term list is indicated between opening and closing title tag, which means that this term list would be displayed on our title bar of our web page. Next we have the closing head tag and opening body tag. As you all know that the rest of the other tags are indicated within the opening and closing body tag. So as same, we have got the opening H3 tag here and the closing H3 tag here. And within the opening and closing H3 tag, we have the term ordered list, which means that this term ordered list would be displayed on our web page with an H3 font size. Next, we have got a comment. I hope you guys know what a comment is because I've already taught you all in my previous video. If any one of you haven't looked on it, go check the description box for links. So comments are usually used for developers' purpose, and here I have used it to give you an idea on what an ordered list is. So comments usually start with an opening angle bracket and an exclamation mark and two hyphens and end up with two hyphens and a closing angle bracket. And between that we have got some information, and let's look into it. Okay, so now ordered list is something like you arrange list items in a specific order. You may use either numbers or letters. An OL tag may have a type attribute where we can assign values such as Hindu Arabic numbers, English capital letters, English simple letters, Roman numbers with English simple letters, Roman numbers with English capital letters. No matter if you don't indicate a type attribute or value for your OL tag, the default value would be Hindu Arabic numbers, which means as 1, 2, 3 and so on. And here is the coding for an ordered list. Each and every list items are indicated within the opening and closing li tag, where here we see it as eggplant, broccoli and lettuce are three list items which are indicated within the opening and closing li tags, and these li tags are indicated within the opening and closing OL tag, and this is the format to insert an ordered list. Next we have got an H3 tag and the term unordered list, and we have the closing H3 tag. So this term unordered list would be displayed with the font size of H3, and right below we have got a comment here. So I've already given you an idea on comments. Here I've used it to explain what an unordered list is. In websites usually people use unordered lists. Unordered list means each and every list items are indicated with a specific symbol. So here the symbols which could be assigned are disk, square and circle. And the rule of type attribute is same as OL tag. Here in unordered list, no matter if you don't indicate any type attribute or value for it, the default value would be disk, and the term disk could also be mentioned as shaded circle. Here we have got the coding for UL tag. So we have the opening UL tag and then closing UL tag. So within the opening and closing UL tag, we have got the opening and closing LI tags. So these items mango, orange and durian are indicated within the opening and closing LI tags. So the LI tags are indicated within the opening and closing UL tags. And right below we have got the closing body tag and closing HTML tag. Once you are done with your coding, make sure you save it. You may go to Files and click on Save, or you may use the keyboard shortcut as Ctrl+S to save your file. Next, what you need to do is open your file, and here's the output for our coding. So here the term list is indicated in the title bar, and the term ordered list and unordered list is given in the size of H3 tag. Next we have eggplant, broccoli, lettuce indicated in Hindu Arabic numbers because we haven't assigned any type attribute to our opening OL tag. And next we have mango, orange, durian indicated in 3 shaded circles, which is the default value of unordered list. And now let me give you more clarification by giving it a type attribute. So here I have given a type attribute. Next there's an assignment operator, and I have given the value as square. And the term square or the value which I have assigned to the type attribute should be indicated within double inverted commas. So now I go save my file, and let me refresh the web page. So here's our output, which means that mango, orange, durian are 3 list items which are indicated in squared symbols. And that's all about HTML ordered list and unordered list. If you have got any questions, mention it on the comment section. I'll give it a try to clear it out as much as possible. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.